Finish from Singapore, I'm now at the Boon Lay Hawker Center. There's a Nasi Lemak right here. Many people queuing. And let's check it out. Some prata at the corner. Some prawn noodles right here. And guess what? There's a satay at the corner. Hougang, Oda, Sun Li Heng chicken wings. Yeah. The Cai Peng right here. Minced meat noodles, one bowl. Stingray chicken, Vietnamese dishes, Japanese dishes, drinks, coconut sugar cane, Woodland BBQ, golden chicken rice, BBQ once again, Stingray Michelin spinach soup, fish soup, Boon Lay satay BBQ chicken wings, Ki Yang food store. The whole place is very big, no? And the tables and the seats are like the brand new one after renovation this year. Mala Hong, chicken rice, nasi lemak, one bowl soya bean, Hokkien mee, the corn, the yong tau hu, rojak and the char kway teow, oyster. Spring chicken, western food in front. There's a chicken rice here. Stingray. One bowl soya bean is nice, man. And then they have other kind of dessert as well. Nasi lemak, banana leaf, and this fishball noodle, maple bak chor mee and the mian xian, laksa as well. Some noodles here. Fried bananas and Boon Lay boneless duck noodles and the fried bananas. Michelin 2025, the pig stuff. Wow, got some other stuff put here. Cai Peng, Ngoh Yang, Pong cracker. Yang Li chicken rice noodles. Fried carrot cake, Hokkien mee, and the next one is a Finnish curry rice. Some chicken rice here, hong pot, spinach soup. The fish soup in here. Tom Yum Yu Mian. Boon Lay satay BBQ chicken wing. Oh, there's a queue for the Cai Peng here. Not sure what's the price, but it should be good. New seafood right here. Boon Lay mee goreng. Oyster, man. You know, it's a standard practice in Singapore every time there's a Chinese New Year, right? There will be a go of fortune at some shopping center or some hawker center here. So this is the year of the horse, 3636, lucky number given. And there's also 12 zodiacs right here. Can take a look. This is a horse name. And that is a goat, monkey, the chicken, the dog, and there's a pig, man. And there's a mouse, cow, tiger, a rabbit, this is a dragon, and last one is a snake. I would say that the mascot here look a bit cartoonish and not really the real one, you know. It doesn't look real. Like, you know, Chinatown Point, they have the also 12 zodiac. That one, it looks much nicer. You can check out my channel. But anyway, you cannot expect too much. It's free, right? Free entry, and then there's no one here. I mean, this area, you can just even touch them if you want. So, okay everyone, this is a video on the Boon Lay Place and Boon Lay Place Food Village. It looks very like professional and very new, right? From the outside, especially the signage. But then the inside is about the same. They added some stores, and the overall feel is it's still a little bit hot, you know. Hawker center, there are no aircon there. And the longest queue will be the Boon Lay boneless duck noodles. Alright guys, I said enough. To take care and visit this area. If you are around the area, you can take a bus 99 from Clementi here, or you can take bus 240, 246 from Boon Lay Interchange. Well, take care everyone. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.